Hola, hoy vamos a aprender cómo conjugar el verbo estar. Hi, today we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb estar. You all have a worksheet that corresponds with this video. Please make sure you are filling it in as we go along. You may pause the video at any time that you need. So our verb estar. Estar means to be in English. It is an irregular verb. So far we've learned how to conjugate AR, ER, and IR verbs in the present tense, but these verbs have all been regular. So what does it mean to be irregular? It means that it doesn't follow the normal conjugation patterns. So when we look at the verb estar, you guys will see what I mean, especially in the yo form. You will also notice that you've seen these verbs earlier in the year. So, estar can also mean to be feeling, so to talk about your emotions, saying I am happy, she is sad, and so on and so forth. It can also be used to talk about location as well. So if I want to say I am in the classroom, she is in the bathroom, he is in history class. All of those are talking about your location, which means we're going to use our verb estar. Now we are going to get into the conjugation. So remember, estar is irregular. So normally in the yo form, we would take our verb estar, we are going to take off our ending, so to take off the AR, and we are left with our stem. Our stem is EST. So we're going to follow that pattern up until this point. So we are going to use our stem, however, some of our endings are a little bit different. Normally in the yo form, our ending is O. However, if you look at it, yo is estoy. So it is irregular, and the only way to know it is to memorize it. You guys have seen estoy earlier in the year when you answered the question, how are you? You guys said estoy bien or estoy mal. So again, that means I am. Now we're going to go on to the to form. So the to has the same ending as an AR verb. The only difference is that we have an accent over the A. Now, you need to memorize the verb with the accent, because if you took that accent off, it now means something different. So, tú estás, you are. Then we have the él, ella, usted form. So notice, again, we are following the same conjugation pattern. However, we are adding the accent over the letter A. So, él está, he is. Ella está, she is, or usted está, you formal is, or are. Next one we have is our nosotros or nosotras. So our ending here is amos, so it is estamos. For vosotros or vosotras, we're going to have estáis, notice accent on the A. And our last one we have ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Alright, so again, you can notice same ending, but we're adding an accent. So, an easy way to remember the accents is that all the verbs except for yo and nosotros get an accent over the A. Again, please memorize this verb. You will use this verb throughout this whole chapter and the rest of your Spanish career. Estar is one of the most common verbs in Spanish.